Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems involving composite functions look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds using the chain rule. Let us break this down now. First, we apply the chain rule to the composite function h of x. The derivative of g of f of x is g prime of f of x times f prime. Next, we evaluate this expression at x equals 2. This gives us g prime of f of 2 multiplied by f prime of 2. You are doing great. Keep going now. Finally, look at the table for x equals 2. We find f of 2 is 3 and f prime of 2 is 2. Then g prime of 3 is 5. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping the chain rule or picking bad table rows. Always check your x value.